Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this new video I will tell you that how to use Bing chat and how to use Bing AI, or how to use Bing chatbot and chat GPT as well. So like chat GPT, we have this new text based chat bot in which you can actually ask anything like we do in chat GPT, and it will give you accurate answers. Okay, so how to use it? So first of all, you need to open up your browser here, and then here I will just type Bing AI, or you can just type Bing chat, and then you will open up this first link, which is the www.bing.com into AI. Okay, and you will click on this link, and now you can see that the Bing search engine is opened up. Okay, and at the top here you can see this option where it says chat. Okay, so this is basically the Bing chat AI. So you will just click on this one, and what now it's going to use here, that it is saying that we will open up this in Microsoft Edge. So because Bing is a search engine that is offered by Microsoft Edge, so it will run very good on Microsoft Edge. Okay, so if you are using Windows 8, Windows 10, or even Windows 11, you will have a built-in Microsoft Edge there. Okay, so what we will do here, we will just click on this link where it says open Microsoft Edge, and then it will open this in Microsoft Edge. So now you can see that Microsoft Edge is opened up. Okay, so now here you can see that when you open the www.bing.com, here you can see that we have this new tab here next to this news, images, videos, which is the chat. Okay, so you will just tap on this chat here, and now here you can see that you can literally ask anything about it. Okay, here it says that ask me anything. And one thing that I just wanted to tell you, that this Bing AI chatbot, or Bing AI chat, is based on chat GPT. Like, they are using the API from chat GPT, and we have like three different kind of conversation styles. Okay, so the first one is more creative, then more balanced, and then more precise. Okay, so we will try and use this option. This is the best, and you can basically sign in to like ask more questions and have longer conversations. So what are we going to ask it? Okay, so we will just ask it like write an SEO optimized YouTube description for a tutorial on how to use Bing AI, how to use Bing chat, how to use Bing chat bot. Okay, so you can basically ask it, and then you will just click on this link here, and it will just write for us. Okay, so we just have to wait, and searching for Bing AI here you can see, and the UI is pretty much same to the chat GPT. They also have this stop option here, and we also have this. So here is a possible YouTube description for your tutorial. Are you looking for a better way to search the web? Get complete answers, chat with an AI, and generate content. Bing chat AI chat for app with. So if you are like making a tutorial on this one, like I am right now, you can just use this description in your video, YouTube video description. And okay, so now, and it also gives you the articles. Okay, so you can just click on this learn more option here, and you can go to their blogs, and you can just use this, and then here you can see, and then it also like gives you some questions, more questions, right? How can I improve my description? Can you write a catchy title for my video? So you can just like ask more questions from it. Okay, so it will just like give you a catchy title for your video. Okay, so we just have to wait, and we will see that what will it this. So how to use Bing AI chat, the ultimate guide for iPhone and Android users. So we are not using it for Android. Basically, Bing AI discover the power of Bing AI chat. How to download, use the Bing AI app on which is on a smartphone. Bing AI chat the best way. So there are the like and can you write a short intro for my video? So like there are like millions of possibilities that you can do with this one. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. If you find this tutorial helpful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.